The SwellPro FD2 Fisherman MAX is a fishing drone that every serious angler should consider buying. If you are curious about the latest price of this drone, you can check it out from the description below. This advanced drone is designed for both convenience and performance, combining professional-grade features in a compact, foldable design. One of its standout features is the IP67 waterproof rating, which ensures that both the drone and remote are fully protected against splashes, rain, or even accidental drops into the water. This makes it a perfect companion for open water or harsh weather fishing conditions. Equipped with a 4K camera and a multicolored display on the remote, the FD2 allows you to spot fish effortlessly and monitor your bait with precision. The drone's massive 7.0 pounds bait lifting capacity lets you transport large live bait or chunks of meat far into the water, attracting bigger fish without the need for manual paddling or heavy kayaks. With a 1.5 kilometers casting range, you can cover more water quickly, saving time and energy while improving your chances of landing the catch of a lifetime. The SwellPro FD2 also handles strong winds up to level 6, ensuring stability even in challenging conditions. Safety features like auto-return automatically bring the drone back to shore if the battery is low or the signal is lost, giving you peace of mind during every trip. The FDFly app further enhances your experience with autopilot functions such as auto takeoff, tap to fly, and fishing spot saving, making it easy to focus on the fishing rather than complicated controls. While it's a premium investment and slightly heavier than smaller drones, the durability, power, and convenience it offers are unmatched for serious anglers. Whether you are targeting big fish or exploring remote fishing spots, the FD2 Fisherman MAX brings precision, strength, and ease to every cast. Be sure to check the link in the description to see the current price.